In this video, we are going to look at some important lakes in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. The first one is Dal Lake. It is located in Srinagar. It is also the second largest lake in the state, which is also named as Lake of Flowers. It is a natural freshwater lake which is fed by the river Jhelum. The lake is also an important source for commercial operations in fishing and water plant harvesting. The second one is Nagin Lake. It is right next to the Dal Lake and sometimes considered a part of the Dal Lake, and is connected to it via a narrow strait called the Dal Gate. It is a natural freshwater lake which have few channels that connect with the Jhelum River. The third one is Ancha Lake. Now it is located some 5 kilometers on the west to the Dal Lake in Srinagar. Ancha Lake is connected with the Dal Lake via a channel called Amir Khan Nala. The excessive water of Dal Lake is diverted here. It is a natural lake, but currently it is in bad condition and has turned into a wetland. The fourth one is Wular Lake. It is located at Bandipora district of J&K. It is one of the largest natural freshwater lakes in Asia. The lake basin was formed as a result of tectonic activity and is fed by the Jhelum River. It is also part of the Ramsar wetland sites. The fifth one is Marcell Lake. It is located in Gandarbal district of Jammu and Kashmir, just 12 to 15 kilometers southeast of Wular Lake. It is a natural freshwater lake which has no major inlet channels, and it is fed mainly by rain, snowfall and springs. However, the lake water outflows to the Jhelum River through a regulated outflow channel. The sixth one is Mansur Lake. It is located in Gandarbal district of Kashmir Valley. The lake is mainly fed by melting of glaciers. It is a natural lake and is considered as one of the high altitude lakes in the Kashmir region. Because of its location in high altitudes, it is also called as oligotrophic lake. An oligotrophic lake is a lake with low nutrient content, which limits the lake's ability to support animal and plant life. But the waters of such lakes are of high drinking quality. The seventh one is Gangabal Lake. Now it is located at the foothills of Harmukh Mountain in Gandarbal district of Kashmir. It is a high altitude natural freshwater lake, which is fed by precipitation, glaciers and springs. Even this one is an oligotrophic lake, meaning it has low nutrient content to support any animal or plant life, but it is very high quality drinking water. The eighth one is Surinsar Lake. Even this one is a high altitude oligotrophic lake situated in Gandarbal district of Kashmir. Even this is a freshwater lake which is fed by precipitation, glaciers and springs. The ninth one is Surinsar Lake. Even this one is a high altitude oligotrophic lake situated in Gandarbal district of Kashmir, just 5 kilometers southeast of Surinsar Lake. Even this is a freshwater lake which is fed by precipitation, glaciers and springs. The 10th one is Mansar Lake. Now it is situated 60 kilometers from Jammu city. It is a natural freshwater lake which is fed by rainfall and groundwater. It is also part of the Ramsar wetland sites. The lake is also of religious importance. The main threats are increasing visitors, agricultural runoff, bathing and cremation rituals. The 11th one is Surinsar Lake. Now this lake is located 12 kilometers northeast of Mansur Lake. Together Surinsar and Mansur Lake are part of the Ramsar wetland sites. Surinsar is a natural, rain-fed lake without permanent discharge. Even this lake along with Mansur has religious beliefs. So both the lakes are part of the Ramsar Convention. The 12th one is Marcell Lake. It is located in the Anantnag district of Kashmir Valley. Even this is an oligotrophic lake, and it is located in the interior of Dachigam National Park. I've already told you the meaning of oligotrophic. These are natural freshwater lake with very low nutrient content and do not support any animal and plant life. However, they are very good for drinking purpose. The 13th one is Tarsar Lake. Even this is an oligotrophic high altitude lake. It is located just 3 kilometers away on the eastern side of Marcell Lake. On the western side, you will find the Dachigam National Park, and rest you know the meaning of oligotrophic lakes. The 14th one is Undercool Lake. Even this is an oligotrophic, high altitude lake. It is located in the Gandarbal district of Kashmir Valley. The 15th one is Pangong So. It is also referred to as Pangong Lake. It is an endorheic lake. In simple words, endorheic lake are those lakes that does not drain towards the ocean. That means any loss of water has to be through evaporation or ground seeping. Now this lake lies in the Ladakh region of Jammu and Kashmir. Part of it also extends to the Tibetan region of China. If you remember, this lake was shown in the movie Three Idiots. So just remember, it is an endorheic lake. The 16th one is Sheshnag Lake. Even this is an oligotrophic lake. It is located in the Anantnag district of Kashmir. It falls on the way to the Amarnath shrine. It is a natural freshwater lake which is mostly fed by melting of snow and streams coming down from nearby mountains. The 17th one is Tso Moriri. It is also called as Lake Moriri. It is located in the Ladakh part of Changthang Plateau in Jammu and Kashmir. The surrounding area of this lake is basically a wetland. Hence, Tso Moriri Lake or wetland is part of the Ramsar wetland sites. It is a natural and brackish water lake. The lake has a mixture of both fresh water and salt water. The lake is mainly fed by springs and snow melting from the nearby mountains. So any lake that does not have any outlet, it is called as endorheic lake. Since it's a high altitude area, that means the lake is an oligotrophic in nature. The 18th one is Tulian Lake. It is located in Anantnag district of Jammu and Kashmir. It lies in between the Zanskar and Pir Panjal mountain ranges. It is mainly fed by melting of ice from the nearby mountains. That means it is a natural freshwater lake. And since the region is a high altitude region, that means this lake falls under the category of oligotrophic lakes. So these were the important lakes of Jammu and Kashmir. You will notice that the lakes are natural since they are in high altitude region. So very rarely that you will find any man-made lake. And you also have to consider the fact that these rivers are mainly fed by rainwater and melting of ice from nearby mountains. That means the flow of water is indefinite. In that case, most of the lakes have an outlet, and the ones that do not have any outlet are called as endorheic lake. Another important point to remember is Jammu and Kashmir is home to many Himalayan glaciers. That means these are high altitude regions. So any lake that is there in a high altitude region is called as an oligotrophic lake. So that's it. If you can remember these few points, then you pretty much understand the lakes of Jammu and Kashmir.